Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix controller not working in Samson on PC. First, adjust Steam input settings, open Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties, Controller, and try Enable Steam Input. Relaunch the game and check. If it doesn't work, go back and try Disable Steam Input, then test again. You can also switch to default settings. Next, disconnect external devices. Open Device Manager and expand Human Interface Devices. Disable any third-party keyboards, mice, or devices like Razer or Keychron. Unplug USB dongles, adapters, extra controllers, arcade sticks, flight gear, and close-related software. Restart your PC after this. Also remove virtual controllers like VJoy or similar programs if installed. Now, try using a wired connection. Connect your controller using a USB cable and relaunch the game. Next, set your preferred controller. Search USB game controllers in Windows, open it, go to Advanced, and select your controller Xbox or PlayStation, then relaunch the game. For PlayStation users, you can use DS4 Windows to improve compatibility. Now update your controller. Xbox users can install Xbox accessories from Microsoft Store, connect the controller via USB, and update it. PlayStation users can install the PlayStation Accessories app from the official website and update their controller the same way. Finally, launch Steam in big picture mode and start the game from there. One of these steps should fix your controller issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Genie.